Hello good day viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this Pythagoreans theorem on the board. And the question say, we have this angle on the board and this length from A to B is given, from B to C is given, from A to C is not given, which is we represent by S, and we are asked to find the value of this S. So I will start by writing solution to this above question. So S is not given, and in Pythagoreans, remember the formula we are going to use is hypotenuse square, which is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So in this triangle, from this length from A to B, which is mean my opposite, because it's opposite to this hypotenuse, it's opposite to this length of A to B, and this longest side from A to B is represent my hypotenuse, and this down one, this straight one here, represent adjacent. So with this explanation, we can successfully substitute the value to this formula. This is hypotenuse square, and the longest side of this triangle is hypotenuse, and the value is represented by S. So I'll have S square, which is equal to opposite, is opposite to this angle, which is 4. I'll have 4 centimeter square, then plus the adjacent, which is 3 centimeter. Then the square is constant from the formula. So from here now, I have S square now will be equal to 4 square is 16, which is 4 times 4, then plus 3 square, which is 3 times 9, it will give me 9. So from here, I'll have S square will be equal to 16 plus 9. I can add them together because they are constant. 16 plus 9, it will give me 25. So to get the value of S, I have S square, which is equal to 25. This is S square is equals to 25. And remember, we use S to represent the value of our unknown, not S square. So to get the value of S from here, we are going to square both sides. So to square both sides, I have S square equal to 25. Then I'll square both sides, both the left hand side and the right hand side, so that this square can cancel this square. So in this left hand side, I'll have only S, which is equal to square root of 25. To take the square root of 25, I'll have a 5. So therefore, the value of S in this triangle is equal to 5. So this is how to use a Pythagorean theorem to solve this kind of question. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my Facebook page and at Sharpest Online Tutorial.